All right, let me talk to you for a minute. You've worked hard your whole life. You've raised families, built careers, contributed to your communities. Now, you're in your golden years, and maybe you're looking for a little something extra. Maybe you want some more cash for that vacation you've always dreamed of. Or maybe you just want to spoil the grandkids a little more. Whatever your reason, you're looking for a way to bring in some income without having to go back to the 9-to-5 grind. You've earned the right to take it easy, to work from the comfort of your own home, maybe with a nice cup of coffee right by your side. I'm here to tell you that it's absolutely possible. The world has changed a lot, and the internet has opened up doors we never even knew existed 30 years ago. Now you can make money right from your living room, in your pajamas if you want. I know what you're thinking. Steve, I'm not some computer genius. I don't know anything about all that technical stuff. Don't you worry about that. I'm going to break it down for you so simple, a kindergartner could understand it. We're talking about something called affiliate marketing, and it's a game changer for folks just like you. This isn't about some get-rich-quick scheme. No, sir. This is a real, legitimate way to earn money by doing something you probably already do, recommending things you like. Let's get into it and see how you can start this exciting new chapter. It's easier than you think, I promise you that. Okay, let's get right to it. What is this affiliate marketing thing I'm talking about? Don't let the fancy name fool you. It's simple. It's like being a professional recommender. Imagine you go to a restaurant and the steak is so good, you tell all your friends about it. Now imagine the owner says, for every friend who buys, I'll give you a little thank you money. That's it. Affiliate marketing in a nutshell. You're the middleman, the connector. You connect people with the company that sells it. You're not creating the product. You're not shipping the product. You're not dealing with customer complaints. All you're doing is sharing a special, unique link a company gives you. When someone clicks your special link and buys something, the company system knows you sent them. Cha-ching. The company pays you a commission as a thank you. It's a win-win-win. The customer finds what they need. The company makes a sale. You earn a little cash. Think of yourself as a helpful guide. People are already online searching. They're looking for the best gardening tools, the most comfortable walking shoes, or a good online course to learn a new skill. Your job is to be the friendly voice. I found something great. You'll like it. You're in complete control. You choose what to recommend. You are the boss. So you're ready to get in the game? Good. Let's talk about the first few plays you need to make. The very first thing you need to do is decide what you want to talk about. This is your niche. That's just a fancy word for a topic. What do you love? What are your hobbies? Are you a master gardener? A fantastic cook? Do you love to travel, read books, spoil your pets? Your niche should be something you're passionate about. Picking something you enjoy makes this whole thing feel less like work and more like fun. Once you've got your topic, you need a place to share your recommendations. This is your platform. Now don't get scared. It can be something super simple. It could be a Facebook page where you talk about your hobby. It could be a simple blog you start for free on sites like Blogger or WordPress.com. A blog is just an online journal where you can write about your topic and share your affiliate links. You could even use Pinterest, creating boards related to your niche and adding links there. The key is to pick one place to start so you don't get overwhelmed. Next up, it's time to join an affiliate program. This is where you officially sign up to be a recommender for a company. It's a simple process. Pick a topic, pick a place to talk, join a program, and share your links. All right, this is important. You wouldn't join a basketball team without knowing who the players are, right? Same thing here. You need to join the right affiliate programs. Trustworthy, easy to use, products you can be proud to recommend. The biggest and most popular one for beginners is Amazon Associates. Just about everyone knows and trusts Amazon, which makes it easier for people to buy. They sell everything under the sun, so no matter what your niche is, gardening, cooking, books, electronics, you'll find something to promote. It's a great place to start. Another great option is to join what's called an affiliate network. Think of a network like a big shopping mall for affiliates. Sign up once and get access to hundreds of companies. Popular Network, ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, Rakuten Advertising. These networks represent big-name brands like Walmart, Target, Petco. You can browse their lists and apply to the ones that fit your niche. When choosing a program, look for a few key things. First, make sure they have products or services you actually like and your audience would be interested in. Don't just promote something because it offers a high commission. Your credibility is your most valuable asset. Second, look at commission rates and cookie duration. Most importantly, stick with well-known reputable programs. Now you might be thinking, okay, Steve, this sounds good, but what kind of fancy equipment do I need? Let me tell you right now, you can put your wallet away. The list of tools you need to get started is probably sitting in your house right now. The beauty of this business is its simplicity. You can get a whole lot done with just the basics, and most of them are absolutely free. First and foremost, you need a computer. It doesn't have to be the latest, greatest model. Along with that computer, you need a reliable internet connection. Next, you need a dedicated email address. I suggest creating a new free email account with Gmail or Yahoo. The part everyone wants to know about, the money. How does the cash actually get from the company into your bank account? Most affiliate programs pay out once a month. However, they usually have what's called a payment threshold. This is the minimum amount of commission you need to earn before they send you a payment. When it's time to get paid, companies usually offer a few different options. Direct deposit. They send the money right into your bank account. Now, I gotta be real with you for a second. You're not going to be a millionaire overnight. Your first month, you might only make a few dollars. Think of it like planting a garden. You don't plant a seed on Monday and expect to eat tomatoes on Tuesday. Maybe you write a blog post about the best walking shoes for seniors. Boom, your first $5 commission. Be consistent. Celebrate those small wins along the way. Okay, last thing, and this is a big one. The internet is a wonderful place, but just like the real world, there are shady characters. You gotta know how to protect yourself. The biggest red flag, paying to join a program. Let me say that again. Legitimate affiliate programs are free to join. They should pay you, not the other way around. If a program demands an upfront fee or an expensive starter kit, walk away fast. Another thing to watch for is promises that sound too good to be true. Make $10,000 in your first week with our secret system. No work required. That's a lie. A flat-out lie. Affiliate marketing takes time and consistent effort. There are no secrets or magic buttons. It's a real business, not a lottery ticket. Anyone promising instant riches is selling a worthless course. Real success comes from providing real value, not from get-rich-quick schemes. Before you join any program, especially one you haven't heard of, do a little homework. It only takes a few minutes. Search, program name, review, search, program name, scam, search, program name, legit. See what people are saying. Lots of negative reviews? People saying they weren't paid? Stay away. Stick with big, well-known platforms like Amazon Associates Share a Sale. Trust your gut. You've got the wisdom to see through the nonsense. Use it.